Hi friends, I'm Emma, and today we're going to grow a beautiful sunflower from a tiny seed. Let's get started. First, we need a pot with drainage holes. Let's fill it with soil, leaving a little space at the top for the seed. Now, let's plant the sunflower seed. Gently press it into the soil and cover it up. Time to water. Just a little splash is enough. We don't want it too soggy. Look, the seed is sprouting every day. We'll check to make sure it gets sunlight and water. Let's keep the leaves clean and make sure it gets enough sunlight. Love and care help it grow strong. Wow, our sunflower has bloomed. We did it! Now you can grow your own plants too. Remember, plants need sunlight, water, and love. Thanks for planting with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures.